One of the things that bothers me the most in the fitness industry is when I see y'all swinging sledgehammers, and it's very apparent that you've never swung a sledgehammer before. You want to learn how to swing a sledgehammer, as one of the trainers here said. Shout out to Devin. Go watch a construction site. That's how you get it done.
Considering, I think when I came here last time,
I'm going to show you right now, real time.
Yeah, so that one looked better, but it looked like you're so I would
Look like a baseball stance, like you got a bat, right?
yeah, because
You turn,
when you're
in the center of your body.
you're still like mentally
Okay.
yeah,
I like to put my opposite foot slightly forward,
when you're coming down, you're
step into center as I swing, so that I become
you want it more straight.
true to my target.
Obviously, if your elbows are touching, you're supposed to, and then yeah, we'll see.
keep it is that
We'll do 3 to 5s, not 5. Because technically,
right. I should not.
because you're barely touching your chest.
Yeah, I guess.
Just remember, take your time. Gotta be
But now it's still reps.
like even when you lift up, like you don't gotta lift up and then like get it. Make sure you recognize your shoulders nice and taut, nice and secure. If something feels good, don't be erect.
And misses happen. Misses are good, but you know where not to hit.